Phonological awareness is an integral part of early literacy as it helps understanding how words are stitched together using individual sounds. Here are some activities to help your little one with phonics. While playing with stuffed animals, take turns, say different words and have your child repeat them for you. Or act out stories together. This will help encourage them to try new words that fascinate them and practice their speaking skills. Rhyming books help children associate words with pictures, which allows them to learn about language structure and different sounds. Have your child repeat words or actions after you while doing a certain activity, such as clapping hands or stomping feet. This encourages them to listen carefully when you say a word, and that's their cue to perform. To get your child used to hearing sounds in words, you should try to point out their sounds in words they already know. For example, if your child is playing with a ball, you can point out that ball has two syllables, ba and la. Ask questions that require children to listen carefully and recall the words they've heard. For example, what does a cat say? Or what does a dog say? This will help them focus on individual sounds instead of just trying to figure out what word they hear overall. See the sound of a word and then have your little one say it 3 times. This will help them learn to focus on a single sound while ignoring other sounds at first. Square Panda India helps educators teach phonetics by encouraging them to incorporate play into the classroom so that children can experience and explore new sounds and words each day.
Square Panda.